Y'all, what a day it has been. I got 2 red squirrels and a gray. I'll show you my 2 red squirrels. Man, today has been a blessing. I have a me day just for me. And man, am I happy. This day has been a good day. It's been a rough week for me, but today has kind of made it a lot better. And I'll tell you, I'm going to say it again, what a great way to kick off 2023. I got 3 squirrels in under a minute. I had to shoot one like 5 times because he wouldn't die. But I also had skeet, like bullet you shoot skeet with. It's like 9 shot, which is freaking tiny. Oh, look at that.